Explore your city, the charm of a local walking tour. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, local walking tour. This phrase is not just about walking. It's a gateway to exploring and understanding the world around us. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover what makes local walking tours so special. A local walking tour is a guided exploration usually conducted on foot in a specific area, often led by someone knowledgeable about that place. The word local here signifies that the tour focuses on a specific, often small geographic area. It could be a neighborhood, a historical district, or even a series of connected streets. The term walking highlights that the tour is done at a walking pace, allowing participants to closely observe and experience the surroundings. Local walking tours offer a unique way to experience a place. Unlike bus or car tours, walking tours allow you to engage more intimately with the environment. You can stop, look, listen, and even smell, making the experience more immersive. They often reveal hidden gems and stories that you wouldn't discover otherwise. These tours are great for learning about history, culture, and local life in a more detailed and personal way. When you join a local walking tour, expect a mix of storytelling, sightseeing, and socializing. Guides often share interesting anecdotes, historical facts, and personal stories, making each tour a unique experience. You might visit well-known landmarks or hidden spots only locals know about. Also, walking tours often involve interacting with other participants, making it a social activity as well. For English language learners, local walking tours are a treasure trove. They offer a chance to practice listening and speaking skills in a real-world context. You'll hear new vocabulary, idioms, and phrases, and you can ask questions or engage in conversations with the guide or fellow walkers. It's an enjoyable way to immerse yourself in the language and culture. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful and enriching experience that is a local walking tour. It's not just a walk. It's an adventure through the heart of a place, its people, and its stories. So next time you have the opportunity, take a local walking tour and experience the world from a new perspective. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.